Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the lesson name is microorganism. Okay, so microorganism already you learned from 6th standard and 7th standard little bit. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to see about microorganism. In this lesson you are going to learn about different types of microorganism and differentiate the various microorganisms, especially shapes and their occurrence. Okay, and next a few effects of harmful microorganism, and next we are going to see about the relations between the man and microbes. Okay, and then you are going to learn about the effects of prions and virons on human health. Okay, so these are the learning objectives in this lesson we are going to see. Okay, first students, you can see the introduction. So already we all know, isn't it, microorganism, we cannot see the microorganisms through our naked eye, isn't it? So microorganisms are too small in size that cannot be seen through our naked eyes. I think you all know, isn't it? So next, the microorganisms can be seen only with the help of what? Microscope, isn't it? Have you all seen microscope? I think you all seen microscope. Okay, so the microorganisms can be seen only, only with the help of microorganism. Therefore only we are call it as what? Microbes. Okay, so therefore they are also known as what? Microscopes. And next we are going to see about microbiology. Okay, the microbiology is the most important, students, the science that deals with the study of microorganism. Okay, so the science that deals with what? Study of microorganisms. Okay, the study of microorganism is known as what? Microbiology. Okay, and this microorganism occurred everywhere, isn't it? The microorganisms can be occurred each and every places, but we can't see our naked eyes. Okay, and a few examples here given. No, see the example: ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans, and soils, and even inside our body. Listen carefully, and even inside our body also. Okay, so here we are going to see about a few microbes. Okay, they are the 5 categories. Okay, what are they? Virus, fungi, protozoa, bacteria, and algae. Okay, the microorganisms can be studied under how many types? 5 types. Okay, what are they? Virus, fungi, protozoa, bacteria, and algae. Okay, among this 5 category we are going to see about first one. That is, first one what, ma? Virus. Okay, a virus is a tiny, okay, the virus is a tiny particles, and it is made up of what? Genetic materials and protein. You underline this. Okay, the genetic materials and protein. The virus is a tiny particles made up of what? Genetic materials and proteins. Okay, next listen, they are intermediate. Okay, they are the intermediate between where? Listen carefully, living things and what? Non-living things. Okay, so the virus can be present both, okay, in living things and non-living things also. So next, virus means, okay, what is mean by virus? Virus means what? Poison. Okay, you underline that also. Virus means what? Poison. Poison in Latin, they will call it as poison. Okay, and next you see, what is virology? The study of virus is called virology. Okay, the study of virus is called virology. And next, this virus are, see, listen carefully, you underline this also, the virus are 10,000 times smaller than bacteria. Okay, 10,000 times smaller than that bacteria. Okay, comparing to bacteria, the virus is very, very small. Okay, how many times? Listen carefully, 10,000 times. Okay, so next, virus. The virus have different shapes. Okay, they are rod shapes, spherical, or the other shapes also. They can be having different types of shapes. Okay, first one, we can see the structure of virus structure. Okay, in this virus, a virus contain a crow DNA or what? RNA. Okay, you underline this. The virus contain DNA or RNA. Okay, the surrounding that core, okay, the surrounding that core, it is present what? Protein coats. Okay, and then this in some virus the proteins coated is covered by what? It's an envelope made up of what? Listen carefully, you underline this: proteins, lipids, and what? Carbohydrates. Okay, this is the protein covers can be covered and envelope, and it is made up of what? Proteins, lipids, and carbohydrate. Okay, and next the envelope, the spikes with the helps of virus particles, it attached to what? Host cell. Okay, the envelope has a spike, okay, that helps the virus particles attached to host cells. What is mean by host cells? The host cell means it can be attached into living things or what? Non-living things. Okay, and these are the different shapes of viruses. See, this is the bacteriophage. Okay, see the shapes. Okay, so it is now see the complex. Okay, that is called as the bacteriophage, or can we call it as complex. And another one, influenza, it is shapes in spherical. Okay, influenza. Okay, and next one, this is called what? Tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, it is in shape what? Helical shapes. Okay, so these are the different shapes of virus. Okay, you can see the headings. Okay, different shapes of virus, and there are the three types. One is bacteriophage, another one is influenza, and last one is tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, students, so thank you.